What's up, guys? It's Tobi Rosario, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the Navy Federal Business Credit Card. You guys are probably familiar with the Navy Federal Credit Union, very popular credit union. They're actually known for giving out high limit credit cards. Right off the bat, they'll give you $20,000, $25,000. They have credit cards that actually go all the way up to $80,000. So it's a great credit union. But before I continue with the video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. Smash that like button. It does help with the algorithm. All right, so yeah, they give out great products. They have great customer service. They're very generous with their credit limits and with their products. Personal loans, credit lines. On the personal side, they have a checking line of credit up to $15,000. They have personal credit cards that go all the way up to $80,000. Sometimes you can start off getting $20,000, $25,000 right off the bat, right? So they're really generous with their credit limits. So that's why they're good. So I've had them for about a year. Now, obviously, if you don't know, you have to be, in order to open a Navy Federal account, you have to have known or know someone who's in the military. So they have to have been in the service or currently in the service. Luckily for me, I have a cousin who is in the service. He's in the Army, so I was able to get into him. You get an access code, and I've been with them for about a year. They have great customer service, and recently I've applied for the business credit card. Right, I didn't apply for their personal products. I strictly just went for their business credit products. But anyway, so in order to do that, you obviously need to have a personal checking account set up with them first. Then secondly, you would have to open up a business checking account. Now, they are very, very busy on the personal side with their products, with their applications. We're opening checking accounts. They're very busy. The business side department, very, very busy with the PPP loans and everything that's going on. So I just want you to be aware of that. So what you're going to have to do is, obviously, you have to have a personal checking account with them. Then you would apply for their business checking account. You have to fill out an application. It's very lengthy. My advice to you, make sure you have all your documents in place. You can either submit it to their portal, but the quickest way I found would be just to call them, because then if you do it to the portal and you're missing a document, you're just going to be going back and forth. That's kind of what I did, and it took forever, so I just decided to give them a call and help them walk me through it over the phone. Now, expect to be on the phone for at least an hour. That's how long it takes. It's a very lengthy process. So just be aware of that. Again, you need to have your documents in place from your business. If you're LLC, you need your articles of organization, obviously your EIN, any business licenses and things like that. Make sure make sure all your documents are in place for that. That way you don't waste a lot of time. You can get their application right on their website, on the Business Solutions website. Scroll to the bottom of the page, and you can download it right there, fill it out, give them a call, and it takes about an hour to fill that application out. You do need to have an opening deposit, I believe, of $100 or $105 to have that business checking account open, and then you're able to apply for the business products, right? Business credit cards, some loans, those kind of things. Now, again, they're very busy, and that they don't even have a department that you can call in for like business credit cards. In other words, everything is done through the portal. It's like a totally separate department. You can't call in to get status or anything like that. So what happens is, once your business checking account is approved, then you would have to fill out an application for their business credit card. Then you submit it through the portal. Then it takes 5 to 7 days to get a response. Make sure you have all your documents, or they're going to push it back, and then you have to wait another week. It's going to take a while. Currently, at the time you're watching this video, it's taking a while to get it processed. But anyway, so you do it to the portal, and then they'll let you know they received the documents. It's been sent to the business lending department, and then they're going to pull your credit, and they pull from Experian. One thing to point out, they don't report to any business credit bureaus. They don't do no PG. It's going to require PG, personal guarantor. They're going to pull from Experian, so make sure your experience is good. Your credit score is good. And they're known, they can go up to $25,000 on the business side without requiring any documents. I got approved for $15,000. I'm a little disappointed. I thought my credit score it's over 800 and on Experian. I thought I was going to get 25,000, right off the bat. I was not. You can submit, you can request if you're requesting over 25,000 for the business credit card, they'll ask for like tax returns. They'll ask for a lot of more documents if you're requesting, for a limit over 25,000, right? If not, they don't require that. It'll just strictly be based on your personal credit score. They don't require like any seasoning. They don't require any deposits. I had $100 in that account, and I was approved for 15,000 right off the bat. They didn't care. They don't pull any business credit bureaus again. They don't do any of that, right? It's strictly based on your your personal credit score on the Experian side. So they have Visa, MasterCard as far as their products, a Visa card or a MasterCard. So I'm excited I'm actually going to apply for another business credit card from my other business. Hopefully I get the same amount or maybe more. So I'm interested to see how that happens. Comment below. Let me know if you guys have applied to one of their business products, business credit cards, and let me know the limit, or if you're thinking about doing it. I think they're great. Again, they're going strictly off your personal credit report, and they don't require any minimum deposits. They don't require any P&L or tax statements or anything like that. So it's a really good way to get a high credit business credit card, and the utilization does not report to the personal as well. That's it, guys. That's my time, and into Rosario. Peace.